subscribe to my man, AG Born Jamaican, the man with the sauce, cause he the boss, the Juki Jam sauce, baby. Get you some, you ain't got you none. So come on, like and subscribe. Do it. I'm the Smoking Bear, and it is endorsed by me and my smoker. Yeah, damn, do it.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are in this world. Today I'm gonna make some stew peas, but here's the kick. I'm gonna make two different kinds. I'm gonna make stew peas that has no pork in it, and I'm gonna make stew peas with pork, pigtail, neck bones, all that good stuff. Also oxtail. Now with the one without pork, I'm gonna put salt beef. I'm gonna put up some turkey wings and oxtail. So watch what's going on, and I want y'all to like, share, and leave a comment. Let me know how you're gonna like this video. I'm gonna start off with the peas. I'm gonna put the peas, I'm gonna pressure them, and then I'm gonna scald off the pigtail and the rest, and the salt beef. Okay, over here I'm scalding off my pigtail, my salt beef, and I have some neck bones here. I'm just pre-warming up. And over here I have my vegetables I'm gonna start cutting up. I also have coconut milk I'm gonna put in. Sit back and watch what's going on. Okay, over here I got some thyme, scallion, onion, and garlic cut up. I'm still scalding off, or should I say boil out some of the salt out of the pigtail and the salt beef. Okay, over here in the pressure cooker I have everything except the pork. Everything except the pork in here. This is the porkless stew peas. I got the pork over there cooking down, you know, getting all the salt and everything out. So watch what's going on. I'm gonna let this cook down, then I'm gonna show you what's going on when I get to the pork part. Okay, I'm gonna let this simmer down. This is the one without pork, and I have my pork cooking over on the other side. On this side I got the pigtail, and I got the neck bones going on in here. When this is finished, I'm gonna separate the stew peas and add this to it and finish cooking this. Okay, with this I'm gonna make some pumpkin rice. I got some water with coconut milk, and I cut up some pumpkin, but this, I'm gonna show you how I did it. This is what I did. I diced up the pumpkin, and I took it. Make sure it's nice. I'm gonna make this boil. I'm gonna put some thyme. Alright, I got my thyme. I'm gonna put my thyme in there. I'm just gonna let this boil for a little bit, let the pumpkin kind of, you know, dissolve a little bit, so we can get that pumpkin flavor and the color and everything in it. Over here I have the stew peas. This is the one with the pigtail, the ham hocks. You know, I got a little, some other stuff mixed up in there, you know, with the turkey neck and the oxtail and the pigtail. I got all that mixed up in this one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the other one when it's done. It's in the pressure cooker. So this is bubbling down, smooth, you know, simmering down. I'm gonna let you see what's going on. On the stove I had stuff splashing, so you know I had to do a clean up on the stove. You know, you gotta clean as you go. You know how it is. So this one, like I said before, it has the neck bone, it has the pigtail, it has oxtail, it has everything. This is the one with the pork. Alright, I'm over here. This is the one without pork. I'm just letting this simmer down. You know? Check it out. This has oxtail, it has turkey neck, it has salt pork. Night. Understand? So lucky I didn't put some chicken foot in it. But this is the one without pork. Here it is. No pork stew peas. And right here you have the goodness. You have pork oxtail. You know this is the goodness right here. You have the pigtail, you have everything in here.
And thanks for watching AG Born Jamaican. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
What's good, YouTube? Go subscribe to my boy AG Born Jamaican right now.
What's up, people? I'm a big foodie and I love to cook. And if you want real, authentic Jamaican food, go to YouTube and check out AG Born Jamaican to get some real recipes.
Yo, thank you for watching AG Born Jamaican. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And remember, life is to be discovered and experienced, and we're here to do it.